how to create the Facebook event for a concert. In order to do that, head over right here. There are three lines. Then from there, click on this event option. Now click on this plus icon and then just name your event. So for example, let's put in here Guts Concert. And then after you have done in here or added right here your concert, next thing you need to do is to just enter in here the start date and then end time. Let's put in here the start date, which is on October 5. Let's put it at around 9 a.m. Now, it will ask if it's in person. So let's head over and put in here the actual location. So let's put in here Philippine Arena. Now, if put in here who can see it. So you can make this public if you want. And then put in here the details. And then you can also add co-host and also host additional settings. Now click on this create event right here in order to create that event. So that's how you create a Facebook event for a concert. Hope we have